So welcome to this new video. Today I'm gonna build a landing page in Figma. Yeah, so this is a landing page I already started. You can see it's for one of my side project which is called Web3 Forms actually. So basically this website is a small tool to send emails. So normally you would need a backend code or server like PHP server to send emails. So I just wanted to make it simple by using an endpoint. You should be able to send emails to your email client. So that's what I'm building, and the coding is already done. So I just want to make a landing page for this. So actually as you can see, I have already made a few progress, but nothing below. I just made this header part. I just want to continue with that, so I thought I will share this design with you guys. So this is in Figma. Actually this is a great tool. It's a free tool. You should definitely try it out, this Figma. It's wonderful tool for designing UI design or mobile design. It's a very wonderful tool. So I think now you understand what is this website for. Like, it's for a contact form. You can just use a form endpoint like api.web3forms.com/submit. that is our endpoint. With that endpoint you will be able to submit contact forms on any static website or any Jamstack website like that. So let me continue with this design, and I think it will be good for you to understand how I design and how I make decisions. Maybe bad or good, whatever it is. Let me see. So okay, let's get started. So what I was trying last is a button here, like a queue here to try this form. Actually, since we are sending a contact form, I wanted people to try it first. So I was thinking how I should do that. Maybe like I have given the submit test form here, so maybe after clicking this button what should happen. So I'm thinking about that. Maybe I should fill this with a pre-filled data like a placeholder, or should user enter this data. It will be too much for the user. So I'm thinking that maybe when user clicking this, we can auto populate this, and they can only click only this button. It will be easier for the users, I think. And if you see any background noises, please forgive me. I'm streaming this from my office and it's nearby a crowded town, that's why. Okay, let's go. So I just want to make this test a little bit different, like a written font or something like that. I don't know, let me check with some fonts. Okay, I think this looks fine. Now I need a arrow, like I need a small arrow to point to this form actually. So maybe I can just adjust this more white. Maybe you can see I'm using Tailwind. I'm planning to convert this template using Tailwind CSS, which is new to me, but it looks good. So I'm trying that for this as well. Maybe I should live stream this conversion as well. So make sure you subscribe to see Tailwind CSS, how I convert using this. Let me see, should I use pure white? Okay, I think it's okay. Now it's 100. Now I can adjust this, maybe something like this. I think this looks fine and catchy, but not too bright, so that's a good sign. Next I should add an arrow to this. Let's see if the Figma provides any plugins. Usually this arrow This is that arrow Figma provides. Okay, but I need something fresh. So let me find it from the internet first. So that will be good. I just need an SVG arrow like look like a sloping curve. So I will find it. Okay, so I have got a couple of arrows here. So many arrows. I have find it from flaticon.com. It's such a good website for SVG icons, I would say. Let me change these colors to maybe I will try to use this Figma again. Oops, that's actually fill. I think I should okay, let me change it here then. Okay, that's fine. I have got another arrow here. I will just put this white as well and another one here. So actually we have to choose multiple variations because we don't know which one looks good. Actually when I find this, I think okay, I think it looks good, and then I find this, it might also look good. Which one? So we actually need to implement here and to see in live to see which it's working or not. So only just see it in the website, we are not sure that it's working or not for our theme. So we just need to make sure by trying it ourselves, trying a couple of options. That's why I have made 3-4 sections or 3-4 icons also. So let me first try this one. I will just zoom out a little bit. Go here buddy, you here, then you. So I'll just try with this first, and then okay, something like this should lead. The arrow is actually pointing up. We should point here, something like this. Let me adjust the color a little bit since it's an icon. Okay, let me try the other one. Let's hide this from here, then we'll go to this one. We'll put this here, reduce a bit and reduce a little bit more. Okay, so yeah, that looks good as well, but this arrow I didn't like that much because it's too much big, I think. Okay, I'm hiding this as well. Let me choose this one. Oh, this arrow is also big. Let me rotate. Okay, maybe can we crop this part and use it? Okay, I will hide this as well. And then finally a normal arrow. So if anything didn't work fancy, we will just go for the normal one. I think we should use flip horizontal. Oops. And then flip vertical. Oh, flip vertical, then flip horizontal. Oh no, I'll be needing like now I need the horizontal one. Yeah. It's actually funny. Let's reduce this a bit. Reduce, and yeah, I think it works. Maybe we'll just try our first option. Oops, sorry. That was my another design actually. Oops, sorry for the notification. Let me try this one or this one. Okay, I think this one is looks better for me, even though it's too much. Let me see if I can adjust this. Do something like that. Okay. What should I do? Or maybe we can just use this one. Oops. Let me hide this. This one, no. I think this is the one we should use actually. Let me see if I can. Okay, since this is vectorized, I think I cannot reduce the radius. I think this is the normal one I think we should use. I think we should find a little more from the internet. So let me do that. Okay, I have got a couple of more elements here, so let me delete the, okay, let it be there. I'll just hide this one as well, and I can try the new ones. This is the one, and this is the another one, and this is another one, and the last one. Okay, let's do one by one. Flip vertical, then rotate a bit. Okay, that's too much. I will instantly delete this, and we'll try this one. Yep, looks better. It looks better, I think. Yeah, I think I might need this. This guy, go hide. And this one. Okay, no. This is also good. It gives some kind of attention here. Okay, I will add this painting as well. We'll try our this one. As you can see, it's taking a lot of time to make a decision and do. It's not easy, as you see. Designing a landing page is really time consuming if you really care about it. So this doesn't look good. Instant delete. This one out. This one, okay, you there. This one out. This one out as well. So we have got this one and this one. Which one do you like? Or the third one here? So I think currently I can go with this because it looks good for me, and it's not too much big to control the eye. So it's nice, it's leading path, and it's dotted, and it looks good. I think we should only give some colors. I think fill is there, stroke selection. Yep, something like some off-white, I think. Or maybe I can just use the gray 400, but I think I can't use this color for this, but I will be able to do it in HTML. So I will just leave it like here. So this is fine for me. Oops. Actually, when zooming out, I have a second opinion. Okay, let me choose this now. Yeah, if you look at the same design tomorrow, you won't like it. You have to make so many changes than yesterday. So that's how it works. Always your mind changes. Okay, let me use this for now. Okay, it's fixed. Okay, so I have this heading, subheading, and these instructions. Maybe I think I should add features docs. So this is help and support. We can include this. Maybe I can add a link called okay, I think I have already add upgrade here. I just wanted to mention pricing, so maybe I can just add pricing. And one thing I'm planning to do is giving templates, form templates. So I'll be doing that. So I can add features, templates, pricing, and help and support. Everything looks good. Now I have to think what should happen when clicking this form. My idea was once user click this, we should flip this box. Instead of asking their real email address, maybe what we can do is once they click, maybe we can flip this and we will show show what show a email client here, like an overlay of Gmail, how it looks good, like all blurred, or maybe like graphics and our content is highlighted. Maybe I can try that. But now sorry, so let me add another button here. So maybe I think I can copy this button and also note that I am not using any fancy options they are providing. Like we have so many options Figma is providing. Actually I have tried that before, but I'm not using that for this landing page, like auto layout, something like that. I'm not using that. I just want to quickly finish this landing, so I'm just doing it naturally. So what I want to do here is view code. So I also wanted users to see how this contact form is made. So what is the real code behind this? So when we say it's contact form static website, it's easy. So how it's actually working? So I want people to show. So maybe I think yeah, something like this. And then this color won't look good. I will add real black, something like this. This looks good, but this color I have to change. I will choose something like this. Let me zoom this in a little bit, and yep, this looks fine. Let me center it. Yep, it's already centered, I think. So that's it. This section is done, and then I want to show some logos here. So I want to say you can host your website anywhere. Host on your favorite providers. Something like they can upload their website on Netlify, Vercel, Google, AWS, Cloud, DigitalOcean, wherever. So I just want to bring that code, bring their logo actually. So I have to find it from the internet, some logos, and I will be back. So okay, I have got couple of logos here. I just need to align it well. So one by one you can align. Click content. Okay. Okay, let me there was some option to fix. Okay, never mind. Let me reduce this. Let me reduce this one. This one is almost fine. Okay, let me reduce this AWS a little bit. Oops, sorry. And then I have to enlarge the GitHub, and we have got Cloudflare, DigitalOcean, and then GoDaddy. So these are the logos we have got. So aligning this is a task. We have to think how we should align, because there is horizontal logos and some icons only. Okay, so I think this Vercel, this looks fine here. So maybe I think I'll try to align everything with Vercel. So I'll go here and go on top of it, and then reduce a little bit. Yep, this looks fine then. Come on AWS, you're next. Yep, this is fine. GitHub, you're fine too. Cloudflare, okay, I think I should try with this. Yep, this looks fine. DigitalOcean, okay, I will again try with this. Okay, that looks fine. Go here, and then finally GoDaddy. Oops, it's too much border for this, so that's what I'm trying to reduce. There was an option in Figma to automatically reduce the frame, but somehow, yeah, I think it's this one, easiest to fit. Okay, I got it right now. So I'm reducing this a bit, and yeah, I think this is fine. Okay, so the next step would be what I will say. I'll select everything like this, align it, and Since this true, I think we can maybe we can keep this on the left side, this here, just to align things better. We'll align once more, and I still think AWS is out of range. We'll just make the alignment manually, and I will also distribute the space. Yep. Now it looks fine for me. Maybe I'll add this thing to a group, and maybe I can add some filters here. Darken, multiply, color burn, whatever it is, lighten. I think this one will work. Oops. Color, luminosity. Okay, this is the one which works. Then let me choose the opacity to something like, yep, that would work. Maybe I think I should change the color to something more bluish, and then adjust to 80. Maybe I can just make it white. So that's it. I can center this right now, center this as well. Okay, now this is not centered, I think. G. Yep, this is the center one. Now I have to make this center as well, and our block a little bit more. Yep, looks fine now. Maybe we can add a little more space, something like this, and then we can just do 100% bar shift 0. Now we can just scroll from top like this. View code, host anywhere, reservations, and all looks good. And here I wanted some features of our product. So maybe I can make it 3 column. Okay, so I'm just copying this features 1, left align this one, and then some. This again goes left, something like this. Let me find some random text. Okay, and the font size is 22, which is too much. I should go with 16 or 18. That's fine. This can be 22, but this should be white plus gold. Yep, better. And this should be some kind of gray, maybe. Too much gray? No. You can also try some new colors so that I can add to tailwind later. Okay, so maybe 3 lines is fine. Sorry. something like this. Maybe I will plan to add some icons here. We can make this color to gray again. Okay. Okay. I think I should add some icons here. So we can do that inside a border. Let me copy. Okay, I'll just left align this to make sure. I can group this one and yep, I will just duplicate this one and this should be in center, and then 66. I will also make this come on, yeah, 66. Let's go there, duplicate this one, maybe I'll just 62. Yep, this looks fine. Maybe I think, let's see, we have this cool options Figma is providing. It's fine. So maybe I think we can reduce the highlight a little bit, so we can actually focus on the title. Okay, so that's how it should be. I think I will change the title later. Maybe I think I should also find icons. So I should find icons after I decided on the features I should write here. So I will just keep this part like this and I will move on to next part. Maybe in the next part I think I should delete this. It's don't need anymore. So I have this one, features, and I think I should go with pricing. I have to add a pricing. Actually, I'm planning two types of pricing. One is free and then the other one a pro plan, so that will be launched later. So I just have only 2 plans, so I need some title for this. I'll just copy that. I'll just come here, maybe we can fill something in between. So instead of this, simple. Oops, it's on left side. Maybe we can just first change to sender. Simple pricing. No surprises. Simple and transparent pricing. That's it. And then I can do the pricing. I have to make 2 boxes now. So one is free and the other one is pro. So I will make 2 boxes. Maybe I will just make one. I will choose choose the color pure black, and then I will go down. It's too much bright. This is in between and it looks good, and I should make that something like that, and it should be centered. Oops, why I can't make it centered? Okay, that's centered. Then I should highlight a personal plan. Personal. And this, if we click here, after clicking Alt, you just double click and it will convert to this single line. You won't have that big box. That's a simple technique. Or maybe I can type free or free, something like this. Free forever. And then for teams maybe, and personal is the one. Maybe we can change to for you. For you, free. For your team, you can write something like this. Maybe I can do, I have not yet decided on the pricing, but I'm thinking somewhat an yearly subscription or a monthly. I think yearly will work fine, so I will just go to per year, something like this. And this dollar sign, we don't need to highlight much, so I will keep something simple here, something like this. Maybe a little bit bold and much bigger. Yep. And we'll try 21, 23, 19, 9.99, $5, $19. So 1 and 9 has a big gap, I think, so we should reduce it. Yep, looks good. So per year should be a little bit smaller, or maybe something like this. 19 per year. Yep, this looks good to me. Just make it center. Maybe what we can write here, maybe we should write nothing, and we can write our features here. What's included in this free plan: unlimited forms, 1,000 submissions, and then unlimited domains. We don't care about the domains. And then what? Unlimited forms and unlimited submissions, unlimited domains, and then we can provide I think I should make my copywriting as well. I will just copy this for this design for now, since this is just a design, and this will be unlimited submissions. Unlimited domain as well. Honeypot spam protection, and here we can write what, reCAPTCHA integration soon. It's not doing now. Maybe we can just reduce the opacity, something like this, so it will be good. Like we are also planning Zapier integrations. Maybe we can just put basic spam protection, so we don't use any fancy words for our users. And then what are the other features? Maybe this font is too much big. I think I will just reduce to 20, 22. Yep, this looks good. Then we can add some icons here, like a tick box or something. We can use a plugin, Iconify. I can search for tick or check, I think. So I think, yeah, we can use the normal one. I think I just try the normal one. What should be the color? Color white. Okay, let me choose a normal icon. This one. What is that? Okay, here's the normal checkbox, and I will make this I will just fill it with some kind of green or something, and then I can delete this. Let me change to 24, and then yep, something like this. Again, I will go for something dark, some dark green, or light green. This will also work well, but okay, let me search manually some colors. Okay, Maybe we can use custom colors. There's something like this. That's more greenery. Yeah. Okay. We'll reduce a bit. I think this is fine. Now just okay. I just group this and let me use this here. Copy, paste, copy, paste. Then again copy, paste. This will be again hidden. So for now maybe we can do oops 2 here. Again maybe we can do 1 more here. I'll just add this one and giving this something like this. Okay, so I have a plan. Oops, why is this so much big? I think I have got a duplicate here. Okay, I have got an idea. I should make this bigger, something like this. Okay, let me think on this. First let me copy these icons. Now copy this button here, bring it to front, and then like this. Get your create access, get access key. Or create access key, or maybe simply the instructions. And for this one I will simply say sign up to Pro. For Pro we have 2 buttons here, so maybe we can use properties of this button here. It looks good now. Okay, maybe we can just simply use this here. And let me darken this. Okay, maybe like a border or something. They can just remove this and a stroke, remove, and then stroke can be something like this. I think this looks better. Let me unlink this. I think we'll see if I can find any better color. Something like this looks good, but I don't want to be too much attraction. Yeah, a blue but gray. Yep, somewhat this looks good. And for the border, let me also find a new color if I could. Should be 2 actually. Something like this, yeah. Okay, so this looks good. Maybe what I should do, maybe reduce. Okay, I'll just try on the first one. 4. And then yeah. Okay, so this one looks fine, but I think this checkbox is still large. Small is always better. So which one do you like? This one or this one? Okay, we'll go with this one then. I will delete this. I will delete this. Actually, in such cases you should make components. Like if you click this component, it's a component right now. So once I made it, I can make so many copies, so I don't have to redo when something changes. Like all this can be stay at the same place. Maybe I'll also do some kind of I think I will distribute vertical spaces. Same with the text. Distribute vertical spaces. Distribute vertical space. And then I'm gonna copy everything to here as well. So that's it. The pricing part is there. This is too much gray. Let me see if I can find a nice color. Yep, something like this. And this also should be reduced. So 30 and 30. So we should also give a clue that this is coming soon. So maybe I will add something like a split section called coming soon. And I also want to make sure this is the real price is not $19, but this is kind of an offer. So what I can do, I can copy this. Okay, I'll just copy this thing and I can just press 49 and our can just reset to 0. And let me try different things. So we should tell them this is kind of an offer we are providing. So this doesn't have to be bold. We can maybe break this with a tool like line tool, stroke file, white, something like this, 3. I will change the opacity. Maybe I'll add the line straight. something like this. So guys, it's not 49, it's an offer. This color needs to be changed as well. So the 49, can we make it smaller? Okay, so I got an idea. What I will do is I will take this, you keep here, and I will make an extra copy and I will say it's 49, and then I can just give that gray 10. Like this. Maybe I can break this price, something like this. So that's a deal. You have to change the pricing. Okay, I think I'm not satisfied with this, so let me delete this now. I will just use this one. I'm happy with this. This is fine. This looks good actually. So that's it. We have made 3 sections: host anywhere, and this feature section, and the simple pricing section. So that's how you do pricing. And then I think we can stop this stream right now. I'll be making this website. Once it's ready, I will be converting this website to a Tailwind CSS using. I'll be converting this with Tailwind CSS, and I'll be probably hosting this in Vercel or Netlify. Probably Vercel. Actually, I like this, but one drawback of Vercel is they don't provide an option to connect organizations account. Like now currently GitHub provides organization accounts for free, so everyone can use it, like small teams. So they don't provide it, so I think I should upload this in my personal account, and then I just connect to Vercel. So that's what I'm planning. So let's see how it goes. Okay, thank you for being thank you for watching this video. It's so much fun. I'll be making more videos like this, so if you like such content, you should definitely subscribe. Okay, thank you. Bye bye.